Hey there, wellness warriors! Are you looking for natural ways to detoxify your body and boost your overall health? Well, look no further because we've got something truly incredible for you to try tonight. Foot remedies that will blow your mind. Yes, you heard that right. These simple yet powerful techniques can help eliminate toxins from your body and leave you feeling rejuvenated from head to toe. So let's dive into 4 unbelievable foot remedies that you won't want to miss. Number 1. Detox Foot Soak. Let's kick things off with a classic, the Detox Foot Soak. This soothing remedy helps draw out toxins through the pores of your feet, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Simply fill a basin with warm water and add ingredients like Epsom salt, apple cider vinegar, and essential oils known for their detoxifying properties, such as lavender or peppermint. Soak your feet for 20 to 30 minutes while you relax and unwind, and let the magic happen. Number 2. Foot Reflexology Massage. Next up, we have foot reflexology, a therapeutic technique that targets specific points on the feet believed to correspond to different organs and systems in the body. By applying pressure to these points, you can help stimulate circulation, release tension, and promote the elimination of toxins. You can either visit a professional reflexologist or try a DIY foot massage using a reflexology chart as a guide. It's like giving your body a mini tune-up from the ground up. Number 3. Clay Foot Mask. Ever considered putting a mask on your feet? Well, prepare to be amazed. Clay foot masks are a fantastic way to draw out impurities and toxins while nourishing and softening the skin. Simply mix bentonite or French green clay with water or apple cider vinegar to create a thick paste. Then apply it to your feet and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and marvel at how clean and refreshed your feet feel afterward. Number 4. Ionic Foot Detox. Last but certainly not least, we have the Ionic Foot Detox, a cutting-edge technology designed to facilitate the removal of toxins from the body through the feet. During an Ionic Foot Detox session, your feet are immersed in a basin of water while a special machine generates a low-level electrical current. This current helps to ionize the water and attract positively charged toxins from your body, which are then drawn out through the pores of your feet. It's a gentle yet effective way to cleanse and rebalance your system from within. So there you have it. 4 unbelievable foot remedies to eliminate body toxins and promote overall well-being. Whether you prefer a relaxing foot soak, a therapeutic reflexology massage, a detoxifying clay mask, or an innovative ionic foot detox, there's something here for everyone to try tonight. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and tricks, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy detoxing.